Good evening to all of you. I am Arun Kumar Singh. Today I want to discuss over an important subject which are really most needful for us nowadays. That subject is why our relation is breaking down very rapidly with our dears and nears, and how we can restore it. This is really a needful subject for all of us. We are breaking our relation with our dears, nears, friends, relatives, even with our family very rapidly. Why it is happening with us so? Why we should not caring of it? It is the bigger questions before all of us. We should take care of it. We should think it. If you do not care of it, definitely in a coming few years, we will be alone. No one will be ready to come with us in position of sorrow or in unfavorable situation. We feel very alone, helpless, and sometimes we may also come in depression. So it is most urgent, most needful to think over it, and we should also find out the reason, and we shall also try our best to remove that reason due to which we are breaking our relation very fastly. So as far I think, we are responsible for this couch, our lifestyle, our desire of more and more, and the habit of following the others, imitation of others, and habit of also looking the financially rich person, and imitation of their lifestyle. These things always making us harassment in our relation, in our personality. Then what we should do, as far I think in this regard, I know that we should need to change something in our habit, and also need to add some new habits in our lifestyle. Before go to bed, we should clean our hands, face and feet with the cold water, and wipe it out with the dry cotton towel. And when we sit on bed and before to go to sleep, we should analyze all our work constantly, what we have done from morning to evening, and rectify and point out the habits, activities due to which our good relation breaks oftenly, and give up the habits for permanently if it is becoming the cause of breaking the relation with our dears and nears, and if necessary add some new habits in place of it. Second things, we should control our anger, lust, imitation of others, believing in outward appearances. These things also becoming the cause of breaking our relation. Our outward appearances or imitation of outward appearances of other, or always making the showy nature, it is also the major factor in breaking the relation with our dears and near. Then what we should do? We believe in simplicity. We don't imitation the outward appearances of our neighbors, relatives, and other financial people. We should believe in ourselves we should have the helpful and cooperative nature, not only our dear, near and relative, but also for the other people like beggars, orphan, physically handicapped people, and the people who is lying on bed in hospital, and also for the person who is lacking behind in field of education due to money. We should help them in many different kind as far as possible. We should also control over our tongue. We must not speak bitter words. We should always speak sweet word as far as possible, because if we spend some time in anger, then most of our cells of our brain dies very quickly, and it may take more time to regenerate it. So there is a chance of formation of negative energy in our life, which are also a major factor of breaking our relation with our dears and nears. So we should keep control our anger, lust, and desire of having more and more. We must not follow the illegal, improper way to perform our activities. We should always follow the proper channel in a legal way to perform our activities. It may be possible, it may take time, but we must not be anxious. We also should keep quiet. We should spend some time before the statue of God, as well as with the old age people. We should also spend some time with the smaller children, because the message what come from these types of people are really related to the nature. That information, that instruction, that voice are universal truth, and if possible we should follow it. Other most important things is that we should hear the voice of our soul. Soul is a part of God, a smallest part of God, which always instruct me, always give the right information, what is needful for us. So you must not avoid the information, instruction and voice of our soul. If we become able to form these types of habit, then definitely we can see the result within 10 or 15 days. Our broken relation can be begin to restore, and we can also be able to collect all the energies which are spread in different form of God in our surrounding. That energy always help me to lead the successful life. Not only successful life, but also they provide the real pleasure of life. That one is most needful nowadays. It is also true that if we are financially very strong, if we are physically very strong, it is not sure we can perform all our liabilities and duties, activities in a good way and in a satisfactory way. If you are mentally balanced, if you are having more and more spiritual energy in our life, then only we can perform all our duties, responsibilities, activities in a right and proper way. We can satisfy with what we do and also the result produced by it. A few things we should leave it, we should give up it. That things are, if you are having this habit of smoking, drinking, spending time uselessly with our friends, having desire, prefer to take non-vegetarian food, these types of habit definitely get reduce our mental power, positive nerves, disturb the positive nerves of our cell. So we must give up it. We must leave the habit, these types of the habit permanently, if we want to lead a successful life, if we want to lead a life with a good relation with our dears and ears. Transparency is also needful for restoring the energy. Transparency, truth, honesty, hard working, these types of things is also needful nowadays to restoring our relation with our dears and ears, and also with strangers. If we become success to form these types of the habit, definitely we will be able to see what will happen with us tomorrow, and we will also be able to say the words which will happen within a month, within a year, and in future, if we practice this thing constantly for a long time. I think this is enough to practice to restoring our broken relation and forming the fast rate of making relation, leading a good life, successful life, peaceful life. If you like this video, like it and subscribe it by pressing the bell button. And if you are also having desire to know something more on some other topics, send me the comment along with these selected topics by you. Definitely I shall try my best to discuss over the topics in brief in my next video, which will reach you first. Thank you.